How to fix error code 43881 when activating Microsoft Office in Windows. An active and stable internet connection is essential for activating Microsoft Office, as it needs to communicate with Microsoft's servers. A weak or unstable connection can lead to error 43881. If that didn't work, an outdated version of Microsoft Office might not communicate properly with Microsoft's activation servers, leading to error 43881. Keeping Office updated ensures compatibility and functionality. Under Product Information, choose Update Options and click Update Now. Wait for the updates to install and restart the Office application. Office Licensing Diagnostic Tool helps identify and fix issues related to Office licensing and activation. Running this tool can be particularly effective in resolving errors by checking the current state of Office licensing and suggesting fixes. Right-click on licenseinfo.cmd and select Run as Administrator. After the diagnostic process, apply any recommended fixes. Restart your computer and try activating Office again. If that didn't work, incorrect or unsynchronized time and time zone settings on your computer can interfere with various services, including Microsoft Office activation. Ensuring your system's clock is accurate and the time zone is correctly set can resolve these issues. Repairing the Office installation is a comprehensive approach to resolving any internal issues with the Office suite, including file corruption or incomplete installations.